Bonjour, bonjour. I am at the open house on 689 Tyner Way. This is an amazing view, as you can see. Look at that. You have 180 degrees of the lake view, and this is true as well for any room in this house. But even if it is a too big house for you and you are not really interested in buying it, I highly recommend you to come and visit, because this is a perfect example on how you can turn a vacation home in a beautiful, profitable income stream. This house can easily be turned out into 4 different units that you can use or rent it separately or all together. It depends. You have 4 entrance doors, so this 6,000 square foot house with 8 bedrooms can turn out into 4 different units that you will be happy to rent to different people at different times, or to enjoy all of them when you have your family around. So come and visit 689 in Tyner Way. Seeing you. Bye-bye.